Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that might be the key to stopping your skin from aging before its time. What if I told you that a simple vitamin deficiency could be making you look older than you really are? Stay tuned to discover how to fight back and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. We all know that aging is a natural process, but what if you're speeding it up without even knowing it? In just a moment, we'll reveal the one vitamin deficiency that could be the hidden culprit behind those premature wrinkles and fine lines. And stick around, because later in this video, we'll share not just how to fix this deficiency, but also bonus tips on enhancing your skincare routine to turn it back the clock on aging. Let's break it down into 3 key points. First, there's the natural aging process, inevitable but manageable. Second, we have external factors like sun exposure, pollution, and lifestyle choices that can seriously accelerate aging. And finally, there's a surprising twist: certain vitamin deficiencies that make things even worse. Imagine your skin is like a fortress designed to protect your youthful glow. But lurking in the shadows is a silent saboteur, a vitamin deficiency that weakens your skin's defenses, leaving it vulnerable to the ravages of time. So, what's this secret enemy of your skin? What's the vitamin that could be turning back the clock or speeding it up? Could it be something as simple as vitamin C, E, or maybe A? You might be surprised to find out that it's often overlooked, yet absolutely vital for youthful skin. It's vitamin D, the so-called sunshine vitamin. You've probably heard about it for bone health, but did you know it's also essential for your skin? This vitamin plays a critical role in repairing skin damage, maintaining elasticity, and keeping those dreaded wrinkles at bay. But here's where it gets concerning. Without enough vitamin D, your skin's collagen production slows down, leading to sagging and wrinkles. You might notice your skin becoming drier, more sensitive, and prone to redness. Could this be why your skin is aging faster than it should? Wondering if you might be deficient? Let's explore what could be causing it. Maybe you're spending too much time indoors, avoiding the sun, or not eating enough vitamin D-rich foods. But don't worry, there's good news. In just a bit, I'll share easy, natural ways to boost your vitamin D levels and keep your skin looking its best. Do you recognize any of these symptoms? Fatigue, muscle pain, or perhaps frequent colds? Could it be that these are signs your body is crying out for more vitamin D? Now, let's get proactive. To naturally increase your vitamin D, try spending 10 to 30 minutes in the sunlight several times a week. Add more vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and eggs to your diet, or consider supplements, especially in the winter. Which of these steps are you going to try first? But that's not all. Here are a few more tips to keep your skin glowing. Stay hydrated, always use sunscreen, eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and keep up with regular exercise. Imagine combining these habits with optimal vitamin D levels. How much younger could your skin look? Remember, by addressing a vitamin D deficiency and adopting a comprehensive skincare routine, you can combat premature aging and enjoy radiant, youthful skin. Isn't it worth the effort to preserve one of your most valuable assets? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Let's keep the conversation going. What's your favorite tip for keeping your skin young and vibrant? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.